Now, I'm not going to be casting too far from the bank. I'm only going to go just out there where them bubbles just popped up. And I'm fishing completely weightless. I've just tied a hook to the end and put 4 or 5 bits of corn on the hook there. So the idea is to just plop this out there with no sinker or anything. And then play the waiting game. Just the one rod. Now I've got quite a bit of slack in the line. I'm fishing without any weight, so if a carp takes up that corn, the line should start going out. And when I feel the moment's right and he's confident that it's in his mouth, that's when I'll lift the rod and strike. Just watch my line there, see it going out. I'm just going to wait. I'll wait until I'm sure he's got it. Bit further, bit further, bit further. Got him. Yes. That didn't take long. About 10 minutes. Not bad for this time of year. I thought it might be slow, but I'll take 10 minutes any day when I'm fishing. Come on, mate. Over here you come. Bit of weight to him. I don't think he's a monster. Oh, he's over here. Around the 50 centimetre mark, I guess. A bit of a dodgy drop here. Hopefully he'll cooperate and come towards the net a bit more. I don't even know where he is. Come back. He's way over there. Come on, mate. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Gotcha. You ripper. First fish I've caught in ages. Let's go up and have a look at him and then put him out of his misery. Alright, just in the corner of the mouth there, that's what you want to see. I didn't give him too long, but I waited long enough to make sure he had it. You ripper. And because it's the first fish I've caught in ages, I want to test the iometer. I said about 50, and that was when he was in the water, but I reckon I'm pretty close. I need a new brag mat. Alright, what do we got? 55. Oh, I undervalued him. 155 centimetre mud marlin after 10 minutes of carp fishing in the Campaspe. Caught on a few bits of corn. I'm gonna go give him a whack on the head and then get some more bait in the water before it gets dark. See ya, mate.